Hello friends, I'm coming back for new information about the Bhuvan website, how we can use and how we can utilize in our future, and how we can edit something like for geographical purpose, for know the data, how government works, like for some disasters, for some geographical conditions in 2D and 3D. So first we know about what is Bhuvan. So let's begin our today's session. Here I go for google.com. Here then after I write just only write Bhuvan. Let's see what is shown here. So the data here shown about the Bhuvan. Welcome to Bhuvan is a geo portal gateway to India. So before going on that website, first we know about what is Bhuvan. So go to a Wikipedia to know something more about Bhuvan. Here it says that it is explored to a set of map-based content prepared for by Indian Space Research explore a set of map-based content prepared by Indian Space Research Organization, and it is available in four languages including English, Hindi, Tamil, and Telugu. And which is type the Geographical Information System. It's virtual globe, okay, and it can initiate in 2009 on, okay, and the website is just bhuvan.nrsc.gov.in. So why it is used for? So it is used for to know about the geo portal about India, and to know the what the things which we can use is for to water resources, the important part of our life, especially in India, the lack of water scarcity, many of the parts in India, especially in highly areas and the areas which is far away from water resources. So now it is land cover, which includes forest cover also, the density, you know fauna and all species, flora and fauna, both of them included here. For disasters, like any type of disasters like tsunami and flooded or a landslide, also here it's used for agriculture. So it can be included by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Cultural Heritage Sites, Ministry of Culture, National Highways, include all information about the geospatial layers. So all the things which what we can now which what we know about here, many of the things I have covered. So let's begin with go to a Bhuvan website. So here it will come. So all the things are available here, especially for Bhuvan 2D, Bhuvan 3D, map available in 2D, now in 3D. The different departments reports are also available, included with their geographical special activities, agriculture, forestry, governance, water, tourism, urban, rural, and all the applications you see here, which is released by nrsc.gov.in. Data discovery, smart tracking, Suvidha, okay, multilingual translation, online space file creation, OSCAT 3D here. When we go for an in-depth, we open this OSCAT 3D, and all the projects governed run by for drinking water, all the things are covered here. So the late information also covering here for latest released by Government of India. This all can be created by Indian Space Research Organization. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want more videos about Bhuvan, please comment me in section. Definitely I reply for you, and thank you for this session. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.